A trendy fashion store with big discounts and aesthetic pieces. SorryNow.com looks legit at first glance, but is it actually safe to shop from or just another online scam? So SorryNow appears to sell women's fashion and boutique style clothing, discounted trendy outfits, and clean minimalist branding. Basically, it looks like a typical Instagram-like fashion store. Here's what we found. The site has a medium trust score of around 67 out of 100. It uses SSL security and standard payment methods, but the domain was only registered recently in late 2025. So technically it's not flagged as outright scam, but it's very new and unproven. This is where you should be careful. It's a very new website with little to no real customer reviews, low traffic and visibility, not an established brand, and hidden ownership details, common with dropshipping stores. And many similar fashion sites follow a pattern with cheap prices, heavy ads on social media, mixed outcomes like late shipping, low quality items, or no delivery. So is SorryNow.com real or fake? It's not a confirmed scam, but it's high risk. It's too new to fully trust, and it might deliver, but inconsistent quality is likely. The bottom line, SorryNow is probably a dropshipping style store, not a reliable boutique brand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.